Hi, my name's Ravinder Bhogal and I'm here at my restaurant Jikoni in Marylebone. I'm here today to cook a recipe to support Liberty's charity partner Feed London, whose mission it is to end child hunger, especially during the school holidays. I'm going to be cooking a really simple Palestinian-inspired rice and lentil dish. It's one of my favorites. It's cooked all in one pot, and I'm going to be serving it with a little cucumber salad and some yogurt and some boiled eggs. Really simple to do, and I hope you'll give it a try. I'm going to begin by slicing some onions, quite a few onions, but this is what makes the dish really delicious. Some garlic, it just adds great flavor to everything. So I'm going to make a really simple cucumber and parsley salad. I'm going to kind of make it slightly more interesting by giving it a little harissa dressing and also toasting up some pita bread. So I want to take the seeds out of the cucumber because I don't want it to be watery. Roughly chop up some parsley. This is flat leaf parsley. Good handful or so, big bunch. Harissa paste. You can use whatever harissa brand you like. This is a great way of adding flavor really quickly. I've got lemon zest as well and the juice of a lemon. So you want to get all that beautiful zest and some olive oil. A good glove of olive oil and lemon juice too. And this is the kind of salad dressing you could actually make a big batch of and just have in a jar. So if you put all the ingredients into a screw top jar, you just shake it together. And just gonna whisk that all together. Some sea salt. I'm gonna put some over my salad too. Some pepper. Also got some pita breads which I've just toasted up. And I'm just going to literally tear them up. And I'm going to pour the dressing over the top and give it a good toss. So super delicious and easy. Okay, so I'm just going to begin with lots of olive oil in my pan. And this is to cook the onions with, all those lovely crispy onions that we're after. And I'm also boiling my eggs, which is for garnish. The butter and the olive oil together, get it nice and warm, and the butter is sizzling. I'm going to go in with that beautiful chopped garlic. I love this dish because it's one pot cooking. It's also a perfect balance of carbs, your rice, and lentils, which are your protein, and then you've got some eggs on top for extra protein. So it's actually a really balanced, lovely dish. Just let it sizzle away. And then I've got a spice mix. You can really use whatever spices you like for this. I've got some ground coriander here, some cumin, which is also ground, some turmeric and some chili flakes. You could add whatever you like. Oh, there's coriander seeds as well, ground coriander seeds. It smells so beautiful. And the rice, which is here, I'm using basmati rice, which has been washed. That's going to go in. So that's 300 grams of rice. And to that, I'm going to add double the amount of water, so 600 milliliters of water. And my rule for cooking really lovely, fluffy rice is to make sure that the water is boiling and that the rice is really hot. I'm also going to season the rice here. So plenty of sea salt, rice needs salt. You could add vegetables here, green beans, cooked potatoes, carrots, peas, whatever you wanted really, but I'm keeping it quite simple because we've got our lovely salad to go with. So before you add your water, make sure the water is bubbling hot and the rice is really lovely and toasty because it's that hot on hot action that's going to make it all bubble together and give you really light and fluffy rice. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 8 minutes. Okay, so that's 8 minutes done. I'm just going to add the lentils to this now. And the lentils are already cooked, just out of a can. So you just want to warm them through. give them a mix. So once you've added the lentils, you're just going to cover it and warm them through for about 2 minutes. So that is now ready to serve, and I'm going to top it with these beautiful onions. I've got some boiled eggs, which you can just dot around the dish. Tiny bit of salt on the yolks. So there you have it, my Palestinian-inspired rice and lentil dish. It's a simple midweek supper for a family of 4, and I've served it with a cucumber and parsley salad. If you want to donate a Feed London box, go to the link in the bio.